seatbelts in the hole.
It took 3 girls to get in 2 holes because it was not working.
We took like,
Yo, you cut me!
sorry. Hi people, we're just about getting ready to leave. In a few minutes, my mom's on the phone.
My eyebrows are fleeking, man. My eyebrows done. I love them. I've been threaded, man.
It's in my room with all the lights on. There you go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I'm really hyper. I don't know who it is. Sorry. Okay, I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh yeah, my chapstick. Oh, I saw the video on the little cute toys and they're so cute. I love it. Let's go back.
I got my lipstick on. I don't have any makeup on except for that or mascara and mascara. So we're getting ready to go.
Yeah, Mom.
Put my other battery in there.
My bunions was killing me.
Stops. And I'll see you bowling. I love that tree.
I think you go first and then...
I'm not used to them doing
Go first. Get your ass out there.
I'm first.
You guys know what I did today?
I'm here. You don't do anything on YouTube anymore.
No, I'm too busy with school.
Why? You want to be on it again? You don't, eh?
No, I don't care. Oh no, because of school.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
She has a YouTube channel. I will link it below. So that when you have time, go see it.
Yes.
I have people watching it all the time. Anyway.
You cut like half the videos out and everything?
Yeah. If I don't like a part. You want to say hi? Is it my turn? That was my friends. I'm putting you in it. Hi. Holy shit! Woohoo!
Just one left.
You're mainly holding her ass.
What?
You're mainly getting her ass.
I am? Oh, I was looking.
Shake your money maker.
Yeah,
It's a pretty good song, yeah.
My turn?
Does anyone else feel like nobody's bowling?
Yeah,
or is it just me? I'm not gonna hop. Does anybody feel like nobody's bowling or is it just me?
everyone else. Everyone else is just not doing anything yet. Everyone else is just standing there.
Maybe
It's a little weird.
Maybe it's like birthday parties and they're waiting for other people because like their alleys aren't open.
It's true.
Yeah, it's weird,
We're
right?
the only ones bowling tonight.
Oh look, there's that little kid down there playing.
We're not alone.
You notice it more.
Go, drop it.
Oh my god. She tears her pants. It's so funny. Like, what? Am I done?
There's already one ball down and it didn't even start yet. Alright, Bun. It's Joni's turn.
Oh,
No. You get a discount. One's already down.
Layers.
It hangs different.
Yeah. No, she does look like
I'm telling you, the trick is between the legs, girls. The disco is starting. Baby, I like it. It's so terrible. Her face.
I love Enrique Iglesias. He's so hot.
Ditto.
What? I like Mexico and Spanish music.
Is this copyright music?
Probably.
Whatever. Come on, disco. See, look, they're up there, but it's not started yet.
Crying. I like to talk to my I have makeup in my
So,
it's the perfect hour. She's just looking at me. I guess. It's actually really awkward filming in public, but whatever. We're gonna do it. Go, Krista! Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at that. Oh! Did I get on camera? I think it did. I don't know. Oh, wait. What did she do? Oh, did it work?
no.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, it's hard, eh? She might get a strike. Oh, yeah. Woo!
5. Sounds got 5.
No, you're home. Oh, no, you're not.
So far, Joni is a professional.
Screw you.
You're professional.
I have 14.
52.
I'm 14.
I'm competitive. It's not gonna go down
That's
well.
how young I look.
I want a small straw.
Sour. My mouth was good flavor, but sour.
seatbelts in the hole. It took 3 girls to get in 2 holes because it was not working. I'm literally dying. It took like, yo, you cut me, bitch! Sorry. I got cut! Yo, that was an intense seatbelt, man. Fuck, it was like an orgy. Shit. Oh, man. Okay, we're good now. She cut me, man. It took about 5 minutes to get 2 seatbelts into holes.
Oh my god.
Oh my 3
god.
girls, 2 belts. 3 girls, 2 belts, 2 holes.
Alright, we're back home now. I thought we were going to play the singing game, which is singing with earphones in and you can't hear yourself. But apparently now we're not.
Yo, hello guys. What's up? What's up? We have a couple next going on now. I'll listen to her.
So, I think I want to make cookies, but I don't really want to. Plus it's getting a little late for me. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah. I don't think they've ever seen my basement. This is what some of it looks like.
I'm gonna try touching.
I'll give you a house tour one day when the house is a little bit more put together. What are you doing?
I touch your face. And stuff.
If you want to see my awesome Snapchat story, no, it'll be gone by the time we put this up. Anyways, if you want to, my Snapchat's in the link below.
Snapchat, Sammy Samex. What? Holla if you want $1. Sorry. Yeah.
Is that all good now?
A little bit.
Okay.
So. Stop! You look nice. y'all embarrassing shit in public.
She's so scary, you know?
Lyrics.
Relax. You already sound like you're...
I sound weird?
Yeah. Like you're not... I don't know how to pronounce it.
I can't hear you, so...
Huh?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you. That's how you sound.
Okay, you start over.
Let's do it.
On me. I see the presents underneath the good old Christmas tree. I feel like I sound good.
Oh my god, like you're...
You come to wake me from my dreams, oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me.
Oh my god.
The children play outside like angels in the snow. Mom and Dad can share a kiss under the mistletoe. And we live all these simple things wherever they be, oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. I've got this Christmas song in my heart. I've got the candles glowing in the dark. Hanging stockings by the Christmas tree. Oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas. Yeah, here's a good part.
Oh god.
Oh no, it's not the good part. The bad? Lullabies and mornings come too soon. I had the lyrics, I'm still messing up. Family, oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. I've got this Christmas song in my heart. I got the candles glowing in the dark. Ready? Ready? Christmas tree, oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Oh why? 'Cause that's Christmas to.
I'm not so manly.
We're just watching our Snapchat stories, laughing, doing the same thing by myself.
I saved some of them because
I want to see Sam's.
Oh my god, I gotta show mine. There's 3 girls we get it in.
I want to show them since they won't see it.
But they don't hear it.
Yeah, I'm going to.
I can't get back on track.
Alrighty, you guys can't really see it, but I'll lighten it up somehow. Wait, I'll redo it. Wait, I'll redo it.
It's fine, it's fine. No, but why redo it?
Yeah, you gotta do. Oh no.
Oh, yeah, it's a funny one.
No, I want.
Cause you get to start all over.
I did.
No, you didn't. There you go.
Oh.
Ah.
No, where are you?
Why am I so far? I should be your first. I should be your favorite. You are my favorite. That's not me. Oh, is it? Oh, it is me.
I can't hear anything.
I'm trying to get a seatbelt in. It's not working. It takes 3 girls to get in. It takes 3 girls to get in the hole.
Don't skip it.
3 girls, 2 holes. I can't find it. I'm sorry, baby.
Don't put it sideways, right?
No, oh, it will work? It won't work. It won't work.
I might go to bed soon, so just in case, Sam's leaving soon, and I will say good night now. So I'm going to end the vlog. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. I should have been recording in the car, but it would have been copyright for the vlog. So you get Snapchat. It's the same thing. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you.
Peace on the streets.
In-
I love it. I love them.
I can't do orange.
Jesse and Gina?
I don't watch them, but yeah, I do sometimes.
They are amazing.
Okie dokie. See you on Thursday. No, this is Thursday's vlog, I think. I don't know. Bye.